Because of the outbreak, the economy is always changing, which makes it hard for crypto brokers to figure out what the market is doing. The high-end consistency means investors are now looking for crypto coins that will give them the best returns in the long run. High predictability is the main reason why many people don't put their investments or savings in digital currencies. Investments in the financial exchanges are unstable because of changes in government policies and restrictions on crypto markets. High versatility before the pandemic. By and by, Heavenly is one of the best coins to help you out in the long run. We'll look at its price predictions for 2023 and what changes we can expect in its price until the end of the decade. But first, let's talk about what Heavenly is all about before we get into the details. Mistakenly thought the cost of XML. Heavenly's price has gone up by $2.34 in the last few hours. It now has a market cap of more than $2 billion and is changing hands for 11 cents. Heavenly cost nothing, so it was free. In November 2014, which was its lowest point since it was first shown in 2020, it went through a pattern reversal and went back up to 11 cents. In this way, the price of Heavenly has changed a lot. Backers of the digital money should set out long-term or short-term plans. How beautiful hangs out on the crypto market. Heavenly XLM has many features that help the virtual cash. Stay on the lookout. Some people are worried about growing digital risks and scams, even though using Heavenly Lumens can stop it because they have the KYC function built in. Using KYC makes sure that Heavenly XLM will be in good shape with the rules in the North American and European business markets. Using KYC also means that Heavenly XLM gives you full security and information insurance. Another great thing about this digital currency is that you can find it on different exchanges. It's easy to trade, buy, or sell your crypto holdings on any platform, whenever it's convenient for you. High liquidity means that a change in the market won't affect the price that much. Another good thing about Heavenly Lumen is that you can expect it to grow with the market. The rise and price of Bitcoin led to an increase in the value of all altcoins, including Heavenly XLM. Also, the team behind this digital currency is active and works non-stop. Usually, digital currency projects that don't have a strong team behind them fail. This is why it's important to have a strong team behind the digital currency, like the Heavenly XLM has, with many benefits and great growth. The cash is getting the attention of investors. Investors and traders can use Lumens to trade on the Heavenly network. The Heavenly network is based on blockchain technology, which connects with banks, POS, and others to let them make payments, cross-resource transfers, and more. One of the best things about Heavenly is that it is a decentralized convention because it is based on an open source code. Heavenly's growth can be seen in the numbers, as it is one of the fastest growing altcoins. The Heavenly Development Foundation wants to increase access to financial tools and improve education by making it easy and cheap to get into the financial system. This is where they chose to send the Heavenly XLM. Stripe gave the group a startup loan of $3 million, so it could send out the electronic cash. Heavenly XLM study that can be proven after the pandemic, when crypto markets started to get their stocks back, the price of the XLM digital money went up by about 7 cents, or 0.0800 if we look further back in the history of the XLM. In September 2014, the ICO was worth nothing. It got worse because of how it was presented, and the value went down until it was worth nothing. The value of Heavenly XLM went down because of many outside factors. However, this digital money reached a record-breaking high at the beginning of 2018. The coin was worth 93 cents, which was a new high. The price went up, but only for a short time. When it reached its highest point in the first quarter of 2018, it went back down. As the bad trend for Heavenly Lumen continued, the coin kept seeing what was going on and its value dropped by about 90% to about 9 cents. It stayed in the same range for about a year, with the highest value of Heavenly Lumen being 16 cents in 2019. 2019 wasn't a good year for Heavenly Lumen, as its value kept going down over the long term. The price and the way it was presented in the market cap gave this digital currency a bad name. When the crypto coin's price dropped very quickly, many analysts thought it meant the end of Heavenly Lumen. Even in 2020, the price of the Heavenly Lumen kept going up because more people were accepting and using digital currencies.